Porter governor. So Ward governor and Porter governor, these two are the deadweight type of governors. So here for the Ward governor, there is no weight. Self weight is considered here. Whatever the balls are there, self weight is considered as a dead weight. Now for the Porter governor, one dead weight is loaded here at centrally on the sleeve, and remaining operation is same. Okay. See here, sir is adding the load. Here centrally he is adding the load here. So these points you have to remember how. Here for this apparatus, three set of loads given. The kg is not mentioned here. Now again same Watt governor link is are adding here.
Load centrally, it will become Porter governor, sir.
Yeah. If we remove the load, that is Watt governor. If we add the load centrally on the sleeve, that is Porter. This is a dimmer set used for the increasing the voltage and decreasing the voltage. As current supply increases, speed also increases. As speed increases, the balls are going to move outside because of centrifugal effect. When the balls moves outside, the sleeve is going to lift upward. Observe here, sleeve is moving upward and downward as the speed increases and decreasing. Now take the pen paper and note down the readings. First note down the speed, how much it is. Note down the speed, 207 rpm. Now at this speed, how much sleeve displacement? The sleeve displacement is going to measure on the scale. 34 mm. On white paper, first you make a rectangle box as observation table. First you made the rectangle box for the observation table. Then note down the, for the first time, N1 has a 207 displacement, sleeve displacement in mm, 34 mm. Now second time, increase the speed. Increase the speed slightly. Take the contact type of tachometer. Take the readings of speed in RPM. Note down the RPM in tabular column as N2. Now, what is the sleeve displacement at this time for the 227 RPM that is measured on the scale? So note down the second readings. Note down the second readings. Then for the third reading, increase the speed slightly again. Third speed is, note down the third speed. For the third speed, the displacement measured on the scale. Note down the third reading. Again, increase the speed. Take the reading on the scale, sleeve displacement. Note down on papers, speed and sleeve displacement. So total 4 readings you taken. Now do the calculation and draw the graph and take a photo and upload in a chat box. So there are the calculations. I already uploaded the manual for today's experiments. You open that